In today's video, I will walk you through how to see participants list in a Zoom meeting. Once you are already inside the Zoom meeting window, look at the control bar that appears along the bottom of the screen. This is where you will find the meeting controls you need. On the control bar, find the button labeled Participants. The button may also appear with a small icon showing 2 people. In some cases, you may see a number displayed next to the icon. This number shows how many people are currently in the meeting. Click the Participants button to open the participant list. After selecting it, the Participants pane will appear on your screen. On most screens, this pane opens on the right side of the meeting window. The Participants pane displays the list of everyone who has joined the meeting. You can view each participant's display name directly in this panel. Next to participant names, you may see different indicators. A microphone icon can appear to show whether a participant is muted or unmuted. If certain meeting roles are assigned, labels such as host or co-host may appear next to specific names. You may also see a small hand icon next to a participant's name if they have raised their hand during the meeting. These indicators are shown alongside the names in the participant list. If the meeting contains many participants, the full list may not fit on the screen at the same time. In this case, you will see a scroll bar inside the participants pane. Use the scroll bar to move through the list and view additional names. At the top of the participants pane, you can check the total number of people currently present in the meeting. This count shows the overall number of participants included in the list. To see the participant list in a Zoom meeting, first make sure you are inside the meeting window. Then locate the control bar at the bottom of the screen and select the Participants button. After clicking the button, the Participants pane will open and show the complete list of attendees. You can view the names displayed in the panel and check the available indicators shown next to each participant. If you need to look through a longer list, scroll through the Participants pane to see all available names. The pane can remain open while you continue with the meeting, allowing you to view the participant list whenever needed. When you are finished checking the list, you can leave the Participants pane open or close it and return your focus to the main meeting window. That is how you can see the participants list in a Zoom meeting. Locate the Participants button, click it, and the participant pane will appear with the list of attendees. Thank you for watching.